Yeah, my name is Usha Rani and my husband Dato Srinivasan, and we had 3 beautiful girls, and it's my beautiful home. Yeah, it is too safety. It's really compact, nice, and it's very trendy lift. The first thing is because we thought of having a lift, and my daughter, she surveyed few lift companies, and most of the person they came and they survey, they told us they need to hack to break the wall. But my husband denied because he is too concerned. No hacking, no breaking. When we contact Nibav, the engineer and the Nibav team members came. They surveyed my place, and they said there would be no hacking, no breaking walls, and it will be perfect for my home. So that's a very beautiful words from Nibav. Yes, they was very surprised when they came. They go through and they use the lift. They say it is too cute, too small, and they are surprised. They are extremely surprised. It's too easy because now we are getting old. So my husband, especially having a knee problem, that's why first thought we to have a lift. So now it's too convenient for him using the lift. Yeah, because it's a really beautiful work they are doing, and the lift is too compact. It's nice because it's not taking much space. It's not taking much space, and once the work is done, they really clean our home, and that's the most important. Our home should be back again. Yeah, Nibav, it's really, the job is too good because what we really want, they does. Will be perfect. What they give us really made us impressed.